Hi there, this is Cajourno Oddity. I'm going to do an unboxing of the Dyson V11 Torque drive. This has twice the suction of any cord-free vacuum. And I'm going to open that box with my trusty knife. Let's bring that knife out. And I'm doing this only with one hand, so sorry for that. Let's open the first here. Okay, the other one. I know it's overkill with the knife, but I need my pleasures in life. Okay, so don't judge me too harsh. And I hope that there's not a dog in that box, a brown dog, because I think it's going to be dead. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Okay, yes, they open, please. So you have that QR code to go to the Dyson website if it's too hard for yourself. I'm going to take you at the right place. You have your care package here, your warranty, everything you need. Let's put that aside. Okay, that is the wand. I'm not sure it's magic, but with the fuchsia color, maybe it is magic. And I do hate that color. I would have preferred it blue, but that was the higher hand model. More money, that was enough money for me. So that's the stiff bristle brush with quick release. You've got the quick release crevice tool and the combination tool here. Okay, crevice tool, the combination tool, quick release. Let's put it down. Okay, let's put the wand there, the fuchsia wand. That's the charger. Nice looking, small. No, it's not that small. You've got the wand storage clip. You can put two accessories on the wand. So it's practical, very practical. What's next in the box? Okay, you've got the mini motorized tool here. That's perfect for pet hair, dog, cats, and maybe pigeons. No, not for pigeons. You take that crevice tool for that. Okay. So what's in there? Oh, it's the mini soft dusting brush. Let's see it. Come on. It's the mini soft dusting brush. Okay. Oh, now we've got the motor, the main part of this Dyson V11 Torque drive, the Canadian model here shown. So it's more powerful than all the other they've made. We've got a digital screen, a LCD screen, and a bigger dustbin to put all the crap you're going to pick up. Need some bigger one, because I have two cats. Needed that. So you've got here a looks like a futuristic gun in a John Travolta movie in the 90s. This is the nickel torque drive, the main instrument I'm going to be using. You can use it on hardwood floor, any other surface, and even carpet is going to adjust its speed depending on the on where it is. Carpet or floor. Or flooring. Okay, looks nice. So that's everything that's in the box of the Dyson V11. Oh no, I think there's missing something. Let's look again. We've got the docking station here that comes in two-piece, and you can put it on your wall and then hook up your Dyson to it. Very practical. So that's it for the unboxing. Thank you.